In this video, we're going to create a full project from start to finish, including a property website, deliverables page, and a media player. When creating a new project, you just want to be on your dashboard and click on New Project. I'm going to go ahead and copy the address from realtor.com. So if you notice, you just put the street address and our system will automatically try to figure out what the full address is. Click on the full address and the project name will automatically be inputted, but you can change it if you need to. Go ahead and type in your client's name, assuming you've already added them in the system. If you haven't, you can create the new client now. So after selecting your client, just click Create Project. It always starts on the deliverables page, so we'll go ahead and start there as well. Just click on the plus icon. I'm going to start with a photo gallery. Now let me find my photos real fast and just drag them right in. So I added about, I think, 20 images, and these images are actually full resolution. So I shoot with a Nikon. I think these are with my D750. It could have been my new Z6, but these are 5,800 pixels wide, uploaded at full resolution. So you'll be able to see live here how long it takes to upload full resolution, high-res images. Now in the background, our system is creating all the different sizes, so that's why it takes a minute. It's creating the web versions, but it always keeps the full res version that you upload. It will automatically put the images in alphabetical order, but you can change the order if you'd like, and at any time you can rearrange individual images as well. So we've got the photos uploaded. Let's go ahead and add the video. So any video or virtual tour, you would select the external media section. My video is on Vimeo, so I'm just going to copy the link, add it here, press enter or select the button. The video will pop up. You can notice that in the advanced settings, we have a couple options you can play around with if you'd like. You can do a custom preview image, and then you can see everything here. So after that, let's go ahead and add the Matterport. Just copy the link. You can really copy the link or embed code, whatever you prefer. Just press enter. The same thing, we get the preview and then more advanced settings that you can play around with if you want. Let's close that. So we're on the deliverables page. That's pretty much everything we want to deliver to the client. Let's go ahead and make our header. I'm going to choose a background image from the set of images we've already uploaded. I like the front aerial shot. Make sure your header is turned on. I like the large size. The page heading being the address is fine with me. Let's go ahead and preview the page. So here we go. We got the address by Sharp Media. It's going to start with the photos, go to the video, and then lastly the virtual tour. Now we also want to use the deliverables page to give the real estate agent the property website links and the media player link. So we'll go ahead, you can see we're on the deliverables page. We can add the property website, and then we can add the media player as well. You can put these in any order you want. It may make sense to put the property website at the top. So if we preview the page, you can see it starts with the property website. So the agent can just get those links if they want. They can visit the property website as well. Now, if we visit the property website now, nothing will pop up because we haven't built it yet. So let's go ahead and build the property website. Just navigating to the property website tab. Now, since we already uploaded everything on the deliverables page, the property website is super easy. You can click the sections we've already made. So I just added the photos. Let's add the video, and then the Matterport. Now, the property website also has special sections that you'll want to add, such as property info. That's usually best first. And we can add a contact form at the end. We can also add a map section. One thing to check when you add your map section, make sure your street view is pointing in the direction you want, and then save that view. And then in the property info section, I'm going to go ahead and go to realtor.com, copy the description, and then add the beds and bath. So 6.5. Go ahead and copy my square footage. 6 beds, 6.5 baths. And then we can go ahead and do the acres, the lot size, which is 0.6, and then any other information you want. That's fine for this example. We can go ahead. I created a floor plan for this home. Let me find that, and I'll just drag that in here. Make sure to wait for it to upload. Or you can go ahead and work on other sections while that's uploading. And then just like the deliverables page, let's build out the header. The header action is going to be that first button that shows up on the header that people can click. Let's go ahead and just make it the photos and choose a background image. We'll choose that front aerial shot again, and then make sure that header is turned on. I like the large size header. We can preview the property website here. This button will jump to the photos. Here's that property info section. The photos, they can click through or maximize. Got the video and the Matterport tour, contact button, and the map. So now let's go ahead and build out the media player. This one will be super easy. We'll just do the photos, video, and Matterport. We could, if we want, add the Google Maps embed to the media player. Let's see what that looks like. So we've got photos first, video, Matterport, and the map. Now on the deliverables page, if we want to preview it, we can scroll down to the media player and everything should show up. Well, actually, it's not showing because we haven't saved the project. So let's go ahead and publish changes. Now that it's saved, we can preview, and that media player will be saved. So that is pretty much it. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my domain name. For my photography business, I like using kc.tours and then the address. So I'll just change the domain name there. I've already set it up, and click Save Changes. And make sure to publish those changes. We should be good to go. Lastly, let's go ahead and add in the invoice. I'm just going to drag it on here. Add your total. And then a payment link if you want. So we'll just, for example, just do show&tour.com. But this is where you would add your QuickBooks payment link or Stripe or whatever you use. You can add that in. Make sure to publish those changes. We can preview the deliverables page. And now they have a Pay Now button, and they can view the invoice there as well. If you're ready to send the project, you can just click Send Project, and your client you can send the email to your client here. You can customize the email subject and email body if you'd like before you send it. So, and that's everything from start to finish on how to build out a project.